follow my people follow my coffee education. Many problem. Those people follow my page or listen to. They will share the video for Ghanaians to listen. And then you pay for the website doing a mission. You people must make website as a communication the letter for us so that Ghana can rule, Ghana can move forward. I'm disappointed in you. I'm disappointed in our leaders. So we small guys, we are nobody. But we are trying our best for Ghanaians to learn or to listen what is happening in Ghana. But you people don't care what we are doing. And yes, you can help. Mummy a chance near from programs. Mummy a chance near to project a coup for the that is all. And you be beyond your Ghana for Betty. And Kophobia Momu chance say, Moon Fatem the dear and work for the Wufi. Moon Fatem the dear and come for Mahama. Mama dear, why am I Ghana? And through those things, Power FM, and this is what they were supporting a Katache FIFA to work in Power FM so that they can disgrace the Kufaru government. Who is Katache FIFA? We are doing the same job. Brafoni yanka, brafoni den fanwo. Katache FIFA tia meka chana bakosem. Me ya woman na mko school. Me ya woman Katache FIFA ni mse. Na baby anu o tia me school fees. That is why I can speak English. Eti adena. I need education. That is why I support the Kufaru. I know that. I need education. So a Kufaru is giving Ghanaians education. So I do support him. That is my problem. I don't support NDC with Chomama. Listen to me. If you want me to go to school, I am a Ghanaian. I speak my Ghanaian language, but I'm trying my best to learn somebody's language. English is not my language, so don't come here with your nonsense. Say you need school. When did NDC give Ghanaian school? That Ben NDC former Ghana former school. Me see me near since me bufo na me ni bie. MPP form pen for me kasa chem. Don't come here and change my taros. MPP form pen for me see social media na me NDC nya more vote. Social media na me MPP for you lose your position with our MPs no. And the MPs no become wise. Munya wise. Break the edge, MPP from Betima breaking. We don't need any prophecy. It's about your work you do. Muko tell radio station so yenti ewa kontu mu a kontufo no e polutu omo maame ni omo nuam se Ghana yetim. Mumra social media so na wiase fo nyante. Yes, some MPP leaders, some more metie me amebrasti bi. Mitonya I will turn to those people to blast you guys. I will turn my back for you people. Na me blast mu a and this is from they are calling guys to come and work for them. Almost fresh social media bloggers and this is what they are doing. We are not supporting them. We are not following them because they do nothing for Ghana to change. They do nothing for Ghana to progress. They do nothing for Ghana to have a vision like a Akufo-Addo, what Akufo-Addo is doing. Yakwanye. One am I yakwanye? It's MPP before mu wahene. Me say e free na koi mo ma me ntemu ka o man FM me papa ke Japan me sremo mu TV station mu radio station ba bia mo kasa no mu koy program mo me nya we ni stream ne nko ba bia no obi antie obi anhwe ye ni abre sa mo ti wo na mo ti wo na o ma panyini abekasa na nipa ntie and Kophobia do my pain in them, all because of NDC support that. And Ghanaians are listening to them. Ghana phone was short memory. Me sitting here, I don't have short memory. Because your mama 4 years cannot change Ghana. Your mama 4 years to come and rule Ghana cannot change Ghana destiny. I'm telling you. So NDC be wise. Akufo-Addo rule Ghana for 8 years. The first 4 years, Ghana was benefit from Akufo-Addo. We Ghanaians, our mothers, our brothers and sisters, there was benefit from a Akufo-Addo government. So we got something pandemic. A coronavirus came to the world. The world is suffering. And now they want to forget. Omu person mu refi. Corona bi ba ni ehefie ni enya dwanini. Ni enya bibinto. Enti Ghana fuel. Samu wa refi a ewiase konanim. Ghana ni enya ye petrol. Ye tu petrol se enya petrol. Choma matia konya so ni ye tu petrol na so Ghana so. Yes akra petrol. What are you talking about? Ediana mokeka no. Ewiase ba bia yeden mummra ne kanche Ganafo say wiase yeden mumme a chance ne mu support our work hey mo ka mo brofo mo keka ne nkan ye normal wine no ye ni abre ye ntina ma Ghana kwhwase Ganafo wi ya nu ya ho sa mistake no we will not sit down. We are the citizens, we are not spectators. Chale ade hayo e page na wa bia na me tie yi Captain Smart bia na me tie yi MPP from penny from wo he Kojo pon kuma Kenya sasem Ghana fontie o. Kino foliata ka Ghana ho asem Ghana da ache ho asem Ghana fontie o. It MPP from penny for ya na me yase ade na mo communicate with ya mrantie ene mo kase. Mrantie abo Ghana sempa wo dawuro. Na mo me mfa mo video so no ene mo program so for page so na Ghana fo so ntie. MPP from penny for ya sremo moya mo nya atwom ebra Ghana se. Moya mu nya atwem ebe moya mu se mu kona suku me pamcho mu fa nche me mani abre e wom se me kasa champion but ya na me kasa ye mpanifo na mo twene Ghana ho no o ma mu gentle Ghana se nya gentle o edwadi fo ma no o mu fa wo gentle no wo mu fa e page so na mo mra me kasa ne Ghana fo nte nka social media nya na TV nko no mbetie social media nya o my FM kwa o my FM nya no hiramo o my FM de me ametimi fa mu program e se mo ku report but other stations no o ko fa be report ye timi fa mu programs stream eno ma panifo no ye eno ma ekoso wo Ghana ye timi nyi e je se enum kasanko a e panifo no wo hene enye social media scan ye po but Ghana ye se Ghana fo be te de ekoso Ghana Ghana nkoso se Ghana fo enne kinofori atakasa me twa ani pe follow na enti se ni pe follow nkrofo didi na na ku for atem enso kinofori ata e ka Ghana nsem eni Ghana fo fa adwene enso Ghana fo ntie all because say baby kinofori ata ye stream no Ghana ni bi enko subscribe Ghana ni bi wu se kinofori ata kasa e wo page ni so e bi enko betie Etimuni yenye bakumada Roma. Na mu pay attention to social media. Yes, Ramo. MPP penifo mu share video emame. MPP communication director yes rawo. What bon toto? What bon too much? What bon into the real ko social media ya no man. Why don't you people use social media? We are nobody to you. We know. We are nobody to you people, but it's not about time we need to. It's about a time we need to sit down and see, say, Emnantia be Kasafa Ghana no ma pound, Emnantia bu Ghana no ma pound the rule. Yen support to no ma pound, ye, na yasente, na Ghana fontie. Aga, I am yes, sir.